Welcome back, artists. In today's Halloween-themed tutorial, we're drawing a spooky candy corn skull, half sweet, half scary. It's melting, creepy, and totally awesome to draw. Grab your pencils, and let's bring this creepy candy to life with glowing eyes, dripping colors, and that perfect Halloween vibe. Comment which spooky treat or monster you want next. Maybe a zombie pumpkin or ghostly cupcake. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool and spooky drawing fun every day on Learning Paws.